Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Tampa, where the local time is 12:24.
Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and you can see we're not starting in my garage as we normally do. We are in the ocean. We're actually in Florida. We came out here for Cleetus and Cars, so I'm actually in St. Pete, or really Treasure Island. Just randomly decided to come to the Fantasy Factory, so that'd be cool, and get some cool shots of their facility and the racing tomorrow for the Freedom 500 and Cleetus and Cars on Saturday. So we're here. We just got here a little while ago. Tony's chilling. He's my second cameraman for this trip, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of today. We've been traveling all morning, and yeah, we're gonna get some cool video, and Tony's got his legit camera to take some actual cool pictures instead of a GoPro or a cell phone. Yeah. So hopefully you can hear me because it's super windy. But yeah, we're gonna get some cool video and we'll be right back. Tony trying to get a perfect shot of the bird. Come back. The bird does not give a shit. Tony over here getting business from all these people.
Yeah, he's been on FaceTime in Dallas.
It's our sweet resort, the I Beach Resort at Treasure Island. It's definitely old. It's not very nice, but it was cheap and it's on the beach. So, it's fine with me. Bradenton Dragway or whatever there, Motorsports Park. And here we are, turning into the Freedom Factory for the first time. There's the helmet. About to enter. It's an amazing moment. Tony's with us. Lips joined us. He was already in Florida randomly. It's a little crowded. This line for beer, maybe? I don't know.
There he is, number 99. There he is. You can see the story on his big old skin lip. You got Whistling Diesel, 01. Diesel Dave, number 435. And rounding out the only female here in South Virginia, bunched up right now. He's getting the big Diesel in this 01. His plane is, he just loves the break. 2, 3. Send it. There we go.
Bring it down. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go all the way through.
Spence, is there a rip tide? Is it going back? Can the fans go? Can it go back?
We'll see how much skill they got. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Send it back.
Send it back.
Send it back. There we go.
That's what I need to see.
Hey Spence, have you ever done the? Green means go. Let's send it. Freedom 500 is going down. Hard to get into it. A little bit of a tussle here.
Jared, correct? We at the halfway point of the second Freedom 500.
We are officially at the halfway point, my friend.
Lap number 50. Oh, he's got a tire wobble. That back left tire looks sorry. Ouch. Yeah! Yeah!
USA! 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 USA!
You guys are the coolest thing for a while.
blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring bring the vibe.